Is our great civilization born to destroy itself? People, you, me, almost everyone has different kind of ideas and understandings of the universe. And these elements brings a huge controversy to humans, to science and religion. I am Tan. From my documentary research, uncovering the singularity of time contradictions between science and religion. Science and religion are both knowledge that underlie and unify the universe. Indeed, science and religion could both be accepted and help to build and accomplish each other with a better understanding, as long as they do not interfere with each other. Science is always using more practical and experimental methods to prove the phenomena around us. Religion, indeed, is always using more intuitive and philosophical ways to explain the phenomena around us. There is also individuals who believe in both science and religion. I am going to find out the singularity, the truth behind this huge controversy between science and religion. Do you consider as a more scientific or a religious person?
A scientific, more like a scientific person because I believe in science more than religion.
So do you believe in Big Bang Theory?
Yeah.
So can you roughly explain what you know about the Big Bang Theory?
Big Bang Theory is about the birth of universe, like how it all started. But I'm not sure about what causes it to happen. But yeah.
Why do you think science individuals and religious individuals have such huge controversy over like the experiment they did before, such as Big Bang Theory? Why religion people and scientific people cannot believe in the same thing? For example, scientific people, scientists, physicists and mathematicians, they always believe in Big Bang Theory. But why cannot religious people believe in? Why do you think religious people cannot believe in Big Bang Theory?
Because like they are in like they started with religion and then they only believe what they heard before. Like for example, you just tell someone something new that they are unfamiliar with. They're like, what's that? I won't believe it because that's what the Christ told me. Like they react to what they know beforehand. Yeah.
Do you consider yourself as more scientific or religious?
More scientific.
Can you explain why?
Because everything starts with logic, which if religion doesn't have anything related to logic, because everything's happened around like it's physics and some sort of science stuff.
If you think you are a scientific person, so may I ask, how do you think the universe was began?
Basically what the scientists and researchers say, it starts from a Big Bang.
So do you believe in Big Bang Theory?
Yes, I do believe in Big Bang Theory because it's some sort of anything happens, right? It has the reason, like how universe is started. There's nothing like it just happened. No, there's a reason why it happened. There must be a reason. There must. Like how crops are farmed, we have to water it, like giving it nutrition like day by day, then we only get our food source. It just doesn't like came out of anyway, and we just gain it from like we are doing nothing. But there is a reason why all those things happen. So I do believe in Big Bang theories.
So my philosophy of the Big Bang Theory is that I believe everything exists or will be existed is already exists, which is mean anything will happen that will eventually happen at the right time in the future. So, do you have any philosophy or beliefs that helps you to believe in the Big Bang Theory?
For me, I do believe in Big Bang Theory for my philosophy, but most of the people think that universe starts by two black holes. But then for me, I think it certain came out of nowhere, where a scientist says it came out from white hole, which is like the opposite of black hole. And other than that, the other philosophy that is not related to science is, I do believe in most of the problem, like trouble, came out from our mouth, because we like to swear a lot. So be nice to each other, then there will be no problem. That's my philosophy.
Now, scientists, physicists believe that our universe beginning with a very denser and hotter point called a singularity, and somehow this singularity point expand, which is now called the Big Bang hot model. So physicists states that our universe starts from this hotter and denser singularity point and expand to millions to billions of years. So what does it make this huge controversy between science and religion individuals so special? The reason is, science people believe in the Big Bang Theory, but religious people doesn't believe in the Big Bang Theory. From Aristotle times until today, this great controversy between science and religion to believe the Big Bang Theory never ends. When science people like physicists or mathematicians tries to prove the Big Bang Theory by using experiments or mathematical methods to prove, but these proofs never convince the religious people. Religious people can't accept the fact of the Big Bang Theory that will eventually change their current proposition of the world. And religious people think that the Big Bang Theory will eventually contradict their beliefs in the God. Religion always have more authority than science in the past century. Of course, in this generation, religious people are more generous. Church do not punish scientists who propose an idea that will contradict their opinions. If not, we don't get to know how exciting physics is. If we don't understand something, do we try to break it? No, we try to understand it. And understanding is my solution to this huge controversy. To this Big Bang Theory cannot be accepted by these two intelligence groups. If religious people believe in something else, which is the creator of the earth and heavens, God, if they believe God created the universe, and scientists believe that universe starts with the Big Bang Theory, they can understand each other and cooperate with each other instead of having this huge controversy with each other. We don't judge something because it is different from us, and all we need to do is to evolve our way of thinking. For instance, science and religion can cooperate with each other because group work is always better than lone work. We all care so much about what is right and what is wrong, and there's no absolute way for us to define a thing whether it's right or wrong, because we don't have the right to stand for anything. We don't have the right to justify whether our answer is right or wrong in this world. We don't know why are we doing all this, and how can we pursue something from we start to think, to dream, to dare to act. But what we can do in fact is that we do not interfere each other, and this is exactly what makes us so satisfied and happy about our lives. Thank you.